For many, dogs are more than just pets. They are cherished family members. They enjoy watching TV, helping with laundry, or even sharing dinner. Some allow their dogs to sleep indoors, and it's completely normal. It's heartwarming. If you treat your dog as your beloved child, consider decorating their bedroom to ensure restful sleep. Simply building a cage and adding a cushion is insufficient. Your dog's bedroom deserves style, too. I've compiled 10 dog bedroom decor ideas that will make your dog feel comfortable while looking classy. As always, to stay updated with upcoming videos, please subscribe if you haven't already. 10. A Cozy Nook project. A dog's bedroom doesn't need to be large. Many dogs prefer snug spaces that feel warm and inviting. You can transform the nook under the stairs into a perfect lounge area for your dog to nap or relax. If furnished properly, your dog will adore this room, which serves as a safe haven. It's quiet and not heavily trafficked, providing a peaceful retreat for your pup. Simply add a comfortable bed or two for your furry friend to curl up in, cozy and warm. Position food and water bowls against the stairs for easy access, particularly during hunger pangs. Placing a tray under the bowls can prevent messes and protect the carpet. When it comes to boredom, toss in some toys for added entertainment and incorporate greenery to elevate the space. 9. Personalize it. Your dog's bedroom deserves a standout feature. If you're unsure about the focal point, consider options typically found in nurseries or children's rooms. A monogram of your dog's initials is a classic choice. Instead of just one monogram, hang your dog's name above their bed or the door to enhance the room's personality, similar to what's depicted in this picture. Add 3 stacked wicker baskets to store grooming essentials and toys for a tidy appearance. 8. Decorate their wall with pictures. Don't let your dog's bedroom walls remain plain. They need some flair too. Creating an accent wall can bring the same vibrancy as in your own room. You may opt for a bold color, stenciling, or even displaying photos. Capture numerous images of your dog and frame them in various sizes and shapes. These photos can create an attractive accent wall while personalizing the space. 7. Incorporate additional storage space. While a dog's room may seem compact, it doesn't have to be cluttered. Consider installing built-in shelves above the bed to serve as an effective storage solution for toys and photos. To create an illusion of a larger space, use bright or pastel hues throughout the room. Apply these colors to the walls, shelves, floor, and beds, fostering a cohesive look. 6. A contemporary dog bedroom project idea. A dog's bedroom can seamlessly introduce style to the space, as seen in this design. The gray chevron pattern creates a striking accent wall that exudes contemporary flair. The dog's name, Mia, is displayed prominently on this wall. A pink dog bed is placed against the accent wall, perfectly matching the letters. A cozy blanket in a softer pink shade ensures ultimate comfort for your pet. To illuminate the space and elevate the aesthetic, a side table is topped with a stylish pink lamp. 5. Complete their bedrooms with a lounge room. If you have multiple dogs and ample space at home, consider converting one of the rooms into a spacious area for all your furry friends. Keeping your dogs together is ideal, especially if they get along well. However, it's important to include portable, or even better, built-in cages for moments when they need their own space to relax or retreat. Adding a few armchairs or a couch provides comfortable lounging options for your dogs. Be sure to leave food and water bowls accessible so they can snack and hydrate while playing together. 4. Share the room. Apartment dwellers may find it challenging to create a dedicated dog room due to limited space. If that's the case, consider sharing a room with your dog. Dogs don't require large spaces. They can comfortably fit in any corner or nook of your home. You might even create a cozy dog bedroom in the laundry room. When sharing a room, incorporating a room divider can help maintain organization. I recommend investing in cubes or shelves to separate your dog's area from the rest of the space, keeping clutter at bay. 3. A Rustic Dog House project idea. Just because it's a doghouse doesn't mean it can't be chic and stylish. In fact, a doghouse can serve not only as a comfortable retreat for your furry friend, but also as a charming addition to your home decor. If you have a passion for rustic aesthetics, this project is perfect for you. To create a rustic feel in your dog's room, consider hanging a stone wallpaper. While it may not provide the exact appearance of authentic stone, it definitely adds a rugged charm that can transform the space in an instant. To enhance the rustic vibe further, think about incorporating wooden accents, such as reclaimed wood shelves or a wooden sign with your dog's name. These touches can elevate the overall aesthetic and make the space feel uniquely personalized. You could even include a few decorative elements like small potted plants or farmhouse-style decor to complete the look. Additionally, this doghouse design can feature a window, not just for style, but also for functionality. A window helps to provide your pet with natural light and a view of the outdoors, making it feel more welcoming and comfortable. It's these small details that can make all the difference, turning a simple doghouse into an authentic, cozy retreat. By combining these elements, you can create a rustic doghouse that is not only practical, but visually appealing, making your dog space a delightful focal point in your home. 2. A dog bedroom with sliding barn door project idea. Incorporating a sliding barn door adds a charming rustic flair to your dog's bedroom. This DIY project is simple to execute. Just gather some boards or an old pallet, a wrought iron sliding door kit, some screws, and a bit of elbow grease. For example, this doghouse looks great with a sliding barn door and includes a window with dowels, allowing your dog to see outside and enjoy fresh air. The door and window trims complement the baseboard and stairs beautifully. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Number 1. Use unused space under your stairs. The space under the stairs is a popular choice to convert into a doghouse. It doesn't need to be extravagant. Often, simplicity speaks volumes. Maintaining your home's style is crucial for a cohesive look, just like in this example. This doghouse features a door that matches the color and style of the stair railing. It's simple, yet fabulous, especially if you enjoy coordinated designs. Creating a dog room is essential to keep you and your dog close, allowing for more quality time together when he or she is indoors. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.